strangely haunted Humber Fort. There was once a princess, Ratnavati, and she received many marriage proposals from many royalties, one of whom being the dark magician, Cynthia Sevra. In the market, Cynthia saw Ratnavati's maid buying her through oil and seized his charms. He enchanted the oil so that as soon as the princess applied it, she would fall in love with him. The princess, feeling intimidated about what happened, threw away the oil, which landed on a boulder. The boulder was pulled towards Cynthia and crushed him to death. However, with his dying breath, Cynthia cursed the princess, her entire family, and the whole village around the Bhangar fort in Rajasthan. The very next year, the people of Bhangar died in a battle. This is the most haunted place in India. Locals have heard women scream and strange noises coming from the fort at night. It is prohibited to enter the fort after 6 p.m. because whoever enters never, ever comes back alive.
And that's why, kids, we will only go to the fort tomorrow afternoon. Come on now, we have to go to our tents. Let's go. Good night, kids. Sleep tight. No shenanigans and absolutely no going into the fort at night. Otherwise, we will send you back home.
Oh, that ritual is so. Be quiet. Our Lord does not appreciate chit chatter. Oh, sorry. My apologies, my Lord. Whoa, that language is so fancy. Did you learn it at Harvard? I've always wanted to go. I've never even graduated middle school. But since you're my father's mother's second lost cousins, child, I'm sure they won't care. Shh. I need to continue my prayers. Dear gods, forgive me for I will have to pause my prayers. Madam ji, you cannot enter. She can go in. I need to continue my prayers. I don't get paid enough for this anyway. What was that woman even talking about? No idea. Anyway, excuse me, Ratnavati madam. Yes, Ratnavati. I want to help you.
What?
Is the teacher asleep? Let's check. I don't hear anything. Well, I wish she's asleep. Abhi, guys, wake up. The teacher's asleep. It's about time. Parvati, don't read right now. Take in the beauty of the forest. Did you know that these dense forests were known as the mysterious home of spirits and supernatural beings? I visited the woods last summer and I could feel the presence of the spirits around me. I guess I'm just special like that. Very interesting. Really? Of course. They even call my name. I must be the chosen one, no? That's so cool. That's lame. Everybody knows you'll be screaming your head off if there were any active spirits here. I didn't. I'll have you know that I'm fearless. Oh, that book. I'm not cool. Why are you all making so much noise? You're supposed to be asleep. Miss told us not to disturb the serenity of the forest by screaming so much. Serenity. I think that the only calming part of all this was making Ajay stop talking about spirits and supernatural beings. Hey, Ajay, it's disrespectful to talk about ghosts and spirits next to Bangar Fort. Disrespectful, or are you just scared?
Yeah, Rian. Ghosts and spirits aren't real. Look, I'll prove it to you. I am Ratnavati, the most elegant and beautiful of them all. And I reject every marriage proposal to my name. And I am Singha Sevra, and I'm crazily in love with you, Ratnavati. Will you marry me?
I'm not scared. I just have respect for that queen.
What is that?
Contrary to the popular belief, a clock with glasses.
It's the queen! Princess! Whatever, we need to learn!
Take her, not me. It was her idea. She's worthless to me. What? Oh, the pain, the horror, the betrayal by my own best friend. Is this how I'm going to die? Out of all the people I will be surrounded with when I die, and I'm surrounded by you idiots in my life. I've never even been in a relationship, and I'm dying before I even get one. Why me? And you? I thought you were my best friend. You know, best friends stick together, start together, and die together. Rohani, I'm sorry. I regret my decision. Before anything happens to you, I wanted to tell you that with all my heart, I love What?
I can see all the respect you have for this ghost, Rian.
That wasn't funny. And Viraj, weren't you about to confess something to all of us here?
I said nothing. You heard nothing. You all heard nothing. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, really? Weren't you about to say something to Ruhani over here? Maybe something that begins with I love
Tacos. I was saying that I love tacos. You wanted to tell me that you love tacos the moment we were about to fake die? Yes, I wanted to tell you that I love tacos now.
Wait, but does eating tacos give you gas in a bad stomach?
But I said that who cares about my stomach? Okay, I guess.
Okay, let's forget about this.
Pro tip. If you want people to forget about something, don't tell them to forget about it. They'll probably remember it for a longer period of time.
Yeah. A fake ghost prank. Try this. Why didn't you guys tell me you were doing it before? You're too boring for that. Plus, Arush and I planned everything out, and you should have seen your faces. Great prank. Relax, Amir. It was just a joke. Oh, yeah. Stop disrespecting the queen in front of Bangar Fort. I'm saying this, she's a princess.
And she's not real.
Yes, she is. Guys, Miss specifically told us to respect each other's beliefs, maintain discipline, and respect history. Respect history? I hate Bangar Fort. It's not even that haunted. You ghosts are horrible at your job. What are you doing, Arya? Giving those ghosts some constructive criticism? Yeah, Arya's got a point. Those ghosts need to step up there if they want to scare us. I doubt it's even that scary. It is. I've seen images of the inside of Bangar Fort, and there are real ghosts.
Photoshop ghosts. I don't know about you guys, but I say we go in there and see for ourselves.
Are you saying we go inside Hunger Fort after dark?
Yeah.
Yes, finally something to do in this boring place. You guys aren't that entertaining. Are you guys crazy? That's not allowed. Miss told us that's the third time you said that in this conversation. I agree. I have a personal connection with ghosts, and I can feel their presence around me.
We get it, Ajay. I'll go. I have nothing better to do. Ghosts aren't real anyway.
That's not true. The princess was real.
I don't think we should.
Relax, Amit. We're not children anymore. If everyone else is doing it, why don't you join?
But
Yeah. Don't be such a buzzkill.
but fine.
No, you guys are mad. You're gonna get in so much trouble. If nobody knows about it.
If we want to go to the Hunger Fort, we should head up. I don't want to get lost in the woods at night time.
Well, let's get going. You guys are mad.
Listen, Rian, we're all gonna be fine. It's better if you come along too.
Yeah, would you rather stay in these haunted woods alone while all of us, we, together, go to Bhangar Fort?
Come on, guys, let's go.
Have fun
See you then.
Have fun waiting for Miss Teacher's pet.
All alone. Bye.
Bye. Guys, wait up! I'm coming.
Yarn, come quick. You're gonna get lost.
Why are you telling me to hurry up? Just leave it behind. Guys, it feels weird. It doesn't feel right. I know everything about ghosts and spirits. I'll protect you all.
Again, ghosts aren't real. It's just stuff made by.
Hey, that's not true.
It's just stuff made by people. who
That's
have
not
better-
true. That's not true. The ghosts are real.
Guys, there are guards here. We need to be careful.
If we get in trouble, I might not be able to go to college. My clean record won't be
Oh
clean
my
anymore.
God.
Shut up! You teacher's pet!
I'm not. What shall we do now?
Wow. It's beautiful.
And it does not look scary at all. Come on, let's go in. Let's get out. What should we do now? Let's just get out of here.
No.
We need to distract the guards.
On the snake?
Yeah, that's perfect. Wait, what?
A rubber snake? That's a good plan, Arush.
So I'll put. Oh my God! It's a snake! Dear God! Give me the candy, my It always works! That was amazing, guys!
Wait, guys. Are we not talking about the fact that Arush has a rubber snake in his pocket?
No.
Okay. Okay, I think I should get going.
Wait, guys, did Harvard look at your record with your grades are up to the mark? Yes, Rian. They look at your record so closely that if you get caught, your future is ruined.
What?
Guys, do we have a backup plan? Don't turn into Rian, Ajay. I thought you were fearless, weren't you? Of
Yeah,
course,
you are.
I
Come on,
am.
let's go in.
So dark. Quit complaining, Rian. It's part of the experiment. Okay, does anyone have a flashlight?
Are you okay, Arya?
Of course.
Oh my god, there are cockroaches on the floor! Really? I thought exterminators came to this haunted fort daily.
Who manages this place anyway?
The ghost, of course. Duh.
I can't tell if you're being sarcastic or not.
Why would I be sarcastic? Guys, is it getting a bit cold?
Oh yeah. Rajasthan always gets cold at night. Don't worry, there are no ghosts.
Hey guys, what's that light? Miss?
Miss, I swear, I didn't want to come here. I did suddenly. Please, I'll do all the extra credit.
Are you okay, miss?
Ratnavati.
What? Yes, but did you say? She said Ratnavati. Try to keep up.
Oh, Ratnavati was the ancient princess who was cursed. Do I get the
Is this some kind of right? I have no idea.
One of you will die today!
Miss, kill them, not me. I told them not to come here. I'm your favorite, no? And I'm the most loyal. I'm the one who actually has the future here. I'm supposed to go to jail. Sorry, jail.
Oh my god, when we are dying here today, at least our ears will be free.
It's called this, you peasant! I am your highness.
How many nights has Miss spent checking up papers? Your Highness, what are you talking about?
One of you is the descendant of my worst enemy.
Wait. I didn't know one of us is the descendant of the math teacher.
They really have some rivalry going on. She broke into Bhangar Fort because of
Yeah.
No, you fool! My worst enemy is Sikya Sebra.
Oh, is it a test? I'll get the extra credit this time, Miss.
I have loyalty. I deserve to be treated like it. Bow down before me! If you end up being the descendant, I will have a lot of fun making sure that you have a slow and painful death.
Miss, I think you're just hungry.
Yeah. Hey, I mean, you've been eating really less lately. Would you like a kachori or dal bati churma?
Be quiet, peasants!
Wait, that sounds like the woman who entered here. What was she saying again? She wasn't saying anything, sir. She was just being a walking cuckoo clock, right? Wait, yeah. She said Ratnavati. Wait, she said Ratnavati! Are you okay, sir? We probably shouldn't go in. It's already haunted and that might have given you concussion. Never mind. I'm a sorcerer and you're a work in progress. Nothing can hurt us. Oh, I hate haunted forts. Why can't they just light up for once?
You know everything about ghosts and spirits. Go on, do your ritual. Fearless.
I'm not sure, but I'll try.
You can do it. Come on.
Hasu Chacha Om Twinkle Blockfish. Oh, Jhumka, Tinka Chika, Nana Nana, Shah Rukh Khan. That was a great performance. Where did you students come from? What was that for? To keep you on the side of good. I'm already on the side of good. See, it works. Axe body spray keeps you on the side of good. Link in the description or in love. So we were just running away from our possessed teacher.
Yeah.
Wait, forward. Everything is a force. Adopt me, please.
Hey, no, get in line.
Really, Riyar? From teacher's pet to God's pet.
We really thought our teacher was just an insomniac. I guess that explains why she wants to kill us.
Wait, your teacher wants to kill you? She's a spirit from centuries ago. Of course she wants to kill us. But why? Because apparently one of us is a descendant of that Severus Snape.
Hey, Singya Sevra.
Which one of you is it? How do we know? You guys are sorcerers. Well, technically I am the sorcerer. He's just a sidekick. Never mind. I will do my ritual to find out which one of you is a descendant of Cynthia Sevra. But this is their mess. We should probably... Oh, mantra trimbakam baba dhuti, by the power vested in me. Oh gods, tell me who the descendant of Cynthia is.
See, Ajay, this is how you do a ritual.
The gods have responded. You, kid with the weird shirt, are the descendant of Cynthia Sevra. Harness your power. Only you can save us from the embodiment of vengeance. The princess of hunger, the one and only Ratnavati.
What? Huh? You're telling me all the days and nights I've spent researching on ghosts and spirits, spent every waking second of my life trying to communicate with gods and goddesses. She's the one with magic and a cool history. When my ancestors were in their 20s, they were doing something boring like, I don't know, studying for exams. And this quiet kid who has a nose buried in a little tree had ancestors that were doing black magic in their 20s. When I got to know that one of us was the descendant of the black magic person, I believe my life finally had a purpose, some meaning other than to tell these pathetic excuses for a human being how special I am. But no, of course the student uses words like equivocate is the descendant and not me. Why?
I'll ask you a better question. What is the mitochondria?
What mitochondria is the power of the cell?
Yeah, whatever he said. Now you answer my question.
I don't know, buddy. I didn't want to be the descendant of some black magic person either.
I empathize with you, Ajay. But how dare you say studying for exams is boring?
Oh God.
Wait, does this mean that I'm friends with a person whose ancestor made history?
Not in a good way.
Yeah, but still, I need to post this on the gram. Give me a minute, guys.
Instagram?
Huh? Oh wait, Miss confiscated my phone, huh?
Wait, does this mean there will be paparazzi at my house?
We really found your ancestor in the region we might die, and you're going to know that?
Alright. Forgive me for being a bit distracted, but what do you expect me to do?
Give us a sorry speech about how your ancestor ruined the princess's life. What else?
Thanks, I'll pass.
Guys, Miss has told us a billion times. Prioritize and do not make excuses. Procrastination will be the result of human extinction. I think this might be the first time Miss has actually made a point. And ironically, that is when we needed against her. Finally, I think you kids are starting to talk sense.
Alright, so what do we do? Barge in, do some cool magic tricks, and banish the spirit of the teacher?
Precisely. Wow, she barged in before us.
Enough is enough! Which one of you is the descendant of Cynthia Sevra?
She is the descendant.
What?
I thought you were on our side, mister. My mother told me to follow my dreams. I'm on the side of good. The side of good? I didn't know you could see three-dimensionally. I've been around for centuries. I can see everything. Yeah, nice joke. The oldest person to live on Earth is 121 years old. Scientifically, your statement is not possible at all.
Oh my God, it's hollow.
Guys, shut up! Language!
Oh wow, she's still on.
Wait, why isn't she attacking us? Yeah, this feels like some kind of anime where the villain just stands there for 3 hours while the heroes brainstorm.
Listen to Mr. My mother told me to follow my dreams.
That's not my name.
Whatever.
I'm so
it is.
confused. Be quiet. Listen to the teacher.
There he goes, following his destiny as a teacher's pet.
Shush! Centuries ago, I was but a humble shopkeeper. Princess Ratnavati's maids came often for her perfume, and I was happy to oblige. Until one day, I saw Sindhya Seva curse her perfume. I got scared and tried to warn her, but she said she knew and had thrown it away. But I didn't know it had killed Sevra, or he had pulled the kingdom down with him. How did you survive then? Are you the chosen one or something? No, I survived because I was delivering an order outside the city. When I returned, I found remnants of dark magic, and I knew only one person could have done this. I had to avenge Princess Ratnavati, so I performed an immortality spell. So here I am now.
Together, we will avenge the souls who died with Singha, and we must kill you for that.
I can watch him.
Okay, hold on.
We need to do something to help Parvati.
Yeah.
Are you crazy? No. I like studying ghosts, not becoming one. Let's just get out of here. No. I want to see where this is going.
That's a point.
Kid with the weird shirt. Are you an idiot? You are the descendant of the world's greatest sorcerers ever. Channel the power bestowed upon you by the gods.
How?
Alu Finkali, by the power vested in me, O gods, let the magic guide this stick. Use this. Only you can save us from her.
I can watch this.
Reach into your core, find the magic residing in you, and pull the threads. Show the world that you are meant for this power, that you are a savior, the descendant of one of the world's greatest.
What? Miss?
Huh? I guess that works too. You just hit our teacher. Well, at least I'm not her least favorite student anymore. Parvati, what did you do?
I don't know, something called saving my life.
Parvati, how does it feel to take down a ghost who you thought wasn't real for the most of your life? Sign my forehead, please.
Shine my me. Guys, do you smell that? I think it's jealousy. Excuse me? Shush, two idiots. What have you done? Are you okay, Ratnavati madam? Are you hurt?
Hurt? Am I hurt? Yes, I am hurt. Have been since centuries. I have felt the pain and experienced the horror of seeing my entire kingdom shatter before my eyes. So what's a little bump on the head? Oh, but that Sindhya Sevra. God, he was a beast. He ruined my life. I was killed, and how brutally, just for defending myself against injustice. Well, like they say, you can't change the past, but I can change the future. I can destroy his future like he did mine. And unfortunately, my dear Parvati, that means destroying you.
Miss, Your Highness, I apologize for what my ancestor did to you, which, not to be salty, wasn't my fault. But Cynthia, he was in love with you, with your beauty and your charm. Haven't you heard that saying? Everything is fair in love and war.
And this is war! A war going on inside of me since centuries!
Okay, now I'm terrified. You gotta do something. Quick.
No, stop! Don't harm her. Being a woman, I understand how hard all of this must be for you. To be humiliated and betrayed like that must have been horrifying. And you have all the right in the world to want revenge.
Yeah, to be fair, if Parvati's ancestor had tried to curse me into falling in love with him, then when I accidentally killed him, curse literally my whole kingdom, I'd probably want to kill him. No offense.
Anyway, but deep down, I know you are still the sweet, the kind Queen Ratnavati.
Our teacher used to say, forgive others, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because you deserve.
So, could you find it in your heart to forgive Singha for your peace?
Yeah, and if you let me go today, I promise I shall forever protect your integrity in my descendants and the world at large.
Wow, You kids are really good at persuading. You must have a great teacher.
I guess.
Maybe.
All right. I guess I'm not as cold-blooded as Sikhya is. Was. And your promise does sound genuine. You're free to go. But, mind you, I shall be watching each one of you very closely.
Well, this is all a very heartwarming performance. I think we still need our teacher back.
Do it. I'm ready.
Right away, Ratnavati madam. Kids, help me to find the relic to trap her in. What about her honey's hideous locket?
That's not hideous, it's plant plague. And no, I gave that to her. I don't want it to be infected with ghost bacteria.
You know, I'm starting to think you meant something else other than tacos earlier.
Exactly. No, you can just... It's okay.
So are you kids fine with me taking the necklace?
Yes, of course.
Do you have any problem?
Goodbye, Lucinda. You named the necklace Lucinda? Yeah, you got a problem with that? No, in fact, I'm completely fine with it being infected. Okay.
Will this save our teacher? Yes. It will beautify her soul. Guys, can you tell Liz that I was the one who did everything?
No!
Wait! I'd rather Parvati do it. It's her right.
Well, that's so sweet of you. I have no idea how to do that.
Just say the words that speak to your soul.
I'm saying this again. How the heck do I do this?
Hold it close to your heart. Close your eyes and begin saying the words that speak to your soul. That's exactly what I did.
Let Parvati do what she has to do. Wow, no pressure.
Remember, say the words that speak to your soul.
From my collection of weird shirts to that one blueberry pie, which makes me fly. Try Ratnavati in this necklace. Please, I don't want to die.
So, Ratnavati, are you sure she's the one that should do this?
Yes, just have faith.
We really have to respect her wishes.
Oh Lord.
Oh, what's happening?
What's happening? Is it working?
I don't know. Miss?
What's going on? Why am I at Hunger Fort? What are you students doing here? I thought I said this was strictly off bounds.
Wait, Parvati's made
What?
up whatever you call that work.
Someone answer me right now.
Oh my god!
Miss, I've never been happier to see you.
I don't think that flattery will get you anywhere, Parvati. And Riyan, you too. I'm surprised.
Miss, I swear I can explain.
Save it for the principal.
Oh.
And you too. You are supposed to be ensuring that no one enters the fort at night. Where is your manager? Let me speak to him at once.
Well, he's not usually awake at 1 a.m. in the morning. But he's alert. You can have a discussion with him. Excuse me? What happened to me centuries old?
Be quiet. You two put the lives of innocent children on risk.
Miss, I'm just saying you came here first.
What? Arya, I don't know.
To summarize, Miss, we realized that you were missing. And so we came here to look for you.
No, that's not what. That is 100% what happened.
Yeah.
And then we saw you possessed by the soul of Ratnavati.
And then you tried to kill Parvati because she was a descendant of Singya.
And then we convinced you that we didn't really deserve to die. And so we told her to forgive Singya for peace and just for her.
somehow we were brought into it too.
So yeah, here we are.
And she's in Ruhani's necklace.
Wow, that actually all makes sense.
What?
You believe that? I mean, it's true, but
What?
Yeah, I do. And in fact, I'm very proud of you students.
Am I hearing this right? After all our English lessons together, Where in the world did Miss learn to trust us?
I never knew she could say the words proud of you to anyone other than Riya, the teacher's pet. Maybe an old man gave her some life advice. When people of our generation say stuff, we really mean it.
That's really the most truthful statement I've heard all day.
Ajay, you said that you chapter in Rahani's necklace.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I did.
No.
May I see it? Thank you. I should probably hold on to this to give to the authorities.
It's Ruhani, shouldn't she keep it?
Here we go again.
Look, do you really, really want me to be haunted by an evil spirit for my entire life?
Hey, she's not evil anymore.
Be quiet. Good idea, miss.
Alright, we should head back now. We'll be going home soon.
Yes.
Good Lord. I need to do a lot of rituals when I get home. Maybe what you need to do is get better at your job.
Oh!
Excuse me? You are the one who let Ratnavati Madam in the fort in the first place. I let her in because I was loyal to her. You let her in because you were loyal to gibberish spells.
Oh!
Gibberish spells from Howard? Alu Fingali, by the power vested in me, oh gods, turn him into a frog.
Oh, wow.
Thank God, this isn't that and my record is clean.
Guys, Riyan practically has a halo above his head now. Guys, miss it and mad, my record is clean.
And we would have many stories to tell our grandchildren, aren't we?
Yeah.
And Viraj, you're going to eat a lot of tacos the moment we reach home, right?
Yeah, I would eat a lot of tacos with extra chicken and all.
Sure, Viraj, sure.
Okay.
I miss my phone so much. I've shamed the Instagram community for entering an outbound space and not recording it.
You know what I miss, Arya? Going to sleep on my bed without having to worry about the fact that I did magic.
Hey, you could always give it to me.
Believe me, if I could, I would.
You should.
Okay, guys, we should probably get
Yeah.
Let's celebrate! Woo!